Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, let's talk about how to open GoTime bank account. So let's start. First, kailangan natin mag-download ng GoTime bank app sa ating mga cellphone. Search nyo lang GoTime bank and then install. So dito po, select lang natin open an account. So are you a Filipino citizen? Are you a US citizen? And then check lang natin yung mga button, then select continue. And then enter nyo yung mobile number. Once na ma-enter nyo yung mobile number, mag-send po ng OTP sa inyong mga cellphone. And then enter the OTP. And then enter email address. And then time to take a selfie. Remove your glasses, mask, hat, and anything that covers your head. Find some good lighting. Stay still, no need to smile. And then take a selfie. Okay, next, magka-upload naman tayo ng valid ID natin. So, mamili lang kayo dito kung anong ID gagamitin nyo. Capture nyo lang po yung front ID and then yung back. So dito, check nyo lang and then uploading. ID uploaded. So, check nyo yung details kung correct. And then, select yes, that's correct. And then dito, input natin yung date and place of birth. And then, yung place of birth. Then confirm. Industry you work in. And then select your occupation. Select your main source of funds. And then create your username. And then create a new passcode. Your GoTime account comes with Go Rewards. Ayan. So, ready na daw yung account nyo. Log in. And pwede kayo mag-enable ng fingerprint authentication. And then, nag-a-ask siya kung meron kayong referral code. And then, eto na po yung account natin. Pwede na po kayo mag-deposit ng any amount.